Let me tell you a story of something that happened in my internship that really impacted me. It was in the Beach Hospital in 2019. I was doing internship in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. And it was one of those busy OPD days. The consultant was away on a surgery call or she was doing rounds. And we as interns, we used to see the patient, do the antenatal checkup, do the primary history taking and everything. If the patient was well, we used to send them home. Or if there was any complications, we used to seek help from the consultants. At 11 a.m., the clerk who takes, who registers the OP number and lets the patient in goes for a break. So we think, oh well, the clerk has taken a break and, the patients can't come in without their OP number being registered. We just take a prolonged break. We're just sitting there and chatting, and there are a long queue of obstetric patients with their big tummies and gynecological patients who are probably bleeding from below. And we just, we're just chit-chatting. And the consultant comes back from her rounds and she comes and sits at the clerk's table and she just starts writing down the OPD numbers and let the patients in. It just makes us feel so awful because this was something one of the interns we could have done, and the rest of the interns could see the patient and relieve them and let them go back home. That just taught me that if there is something to be done, just get it done. Don't think that any job is beneath you and delay the delivery of care. Just do what's best for the patients. Bye.